Experience true student living at Bedford 267 in New York, where comfort and style come together. Choose from 4-bed, 6-bed, and 7-bed apartments for a lovely stay. Get a spacious bed, dedicated study and storage spaces to add to your convenience. Moreover, your kitchen is fully equipped with a microwave, dishwasher, and more, giving you an array of all your essentials in one place. Beyond your room, you can sweat it out in the gym, tackle laundry day with on-site facilities, hang at the private bar, or chill with friends in the cinema room. Your rent includes water, heating and electricity, and high-speed Wi-Fi, plus weekly cleaning and monthly breakfast too. Your student life will be incredibly convenient here, with Pratt Institute and St. Joseph's University located just a quick drive away, so you always get to class on time. Explore the Big Apple with the DeKalb Avenue bus stop, just around the corner. You can also catch the subway from Myrtle Avenue like a true New Yorker. So visit amberstudent.com to lock in your home in Bedford 267 in New York now.